In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change MT5 chart background to dark mode. If you spend a lot of time looking at charts, switching to a dark background can make trading much easier on your eyes, especially at night. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of changing your chart background in MetaTrader 5 to a dark theme, and I'll explain what you're looking at along the way so everything feels clear and straightforward. First, make sure you have MT5 open and at least one chart displayed. It can be any symbol or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Move your mouse over the chart window that you want to customize. Now, right-click anywhere on the chart area. Try to avoid clicking directly on an object like an indicator line or an open trade level, and instead aim for a clear space on the chart. When you right-click, a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Properties and left-click on it. This opens a settings window specifically for the chart you selected. You'll usually see two main tabs at the top of this window, one for general chart settings and one for colors. Next, click on the Colors tab. This is where you control how your chart looks visually. Here you'll see a list of elements such as background, foreground, grid, bar up, bar down, bull candle, bear candle, line graph, and so on. Each item has a color box next to it that shows its current color. To switch to a dark mode style, start by clicking the color box next to background. Choose a dark color, such as black or a very dark gray, then adjust the foreground color to something light, like white or light gray, so that your price scale and time axis stay readable against the dark background. Continue following the on-screen prompts by selecting colors for the other elements. For example, you might want bright, contrasting colors for bull and bear candles so they stand out clearly against the dark background. As you change each color, you'll see a preview in the chart window behind the settings, which helps you fine-tune everything until it looks right to you. Once you're happy with how your chart looks, click OK to apply the changes. Your MT5 chart is now in dark mode, making